Hi my dear children, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? Hope everyone are doing good. So my dear children, in the previous class we have discussed the lesson 1. So how much we have completed? Yes, the brave person became too old when he was young. He used to do so many wars and he used to fight in many battles. And who was his best friend there? Horse. So the horse is very strong and every time from the enemies he used to save the person, and from many encounters he had saved. And what happened day by day, how the young man changes to old man, he was became miser and he is not taking care of himself, not he is taking care of his horse. So he is only showing the interest on gold. So how the days are going to increase, in the same way he is also counting his bags. What bags is counting? Gold bags. So the bags which are filled with gold, he was counting the bags. And he is thinking, how could I increase more gold bags? How could I increase more gold? So he is thinking many ways to collect the gold. And day by day he was became too miser. And not even he is giving food to his horse. And one morning what happened? He is thinking, this horse is simply, it is very useless horse. It is standing simply here, waste of this. So I had to save that horse. So he decided to save that horse. But the horse became too old. So what he is thinking, if I save this horse also, do anyone give the money to me? If they won't give me any money, how could I save this for free? I cannot. So he thought in this way and he sent that horse from the place. He laid the horse and the horse felt very sad, and when it was leaving that place, he was in the search of grass. So it is wishing to get the fresh grass. So from many years he did not eat anything. So it is searching a fresh grass to eat. And what happened if the horse died? There is no, I don't care. Who is saying this? If the horse die also, I don't care. So the miser is saying, the old man was saying. So the horse started from the hill area and it came to the town. And in the town when it entered, the children were taking the stones and they were hitting to the horse. And that so many dogs are there. The dogs also barking at the horse. So that felt very sad. And what it is going to do, we shall see in the today's class. Okay, take your textbooks and open page number 56. Page number 56. Let us see now. See the second paragraph. So the old horse was turned out to find what he could among the rocks on the barren hillside. Lame and weak, he strolled along the dusty roads, glad to find a blade of grass or a thruster. The boys threw stones at him, the dogs barked at him, and in all the world there was no one to pity him. So no one is in the world, no one is showing love and affection to the horse. One hot afternoon, when no one was there in the street, the horse chanced to wander into the marketplace. So what happened? One afternoon, it is very hot afternoon. Hot is normally, maybe it was summer. So in summertime, during afternoon time, do anyone will come out of the homes? No, no. In the same way, in the streets also, no one is there. Not even a child is there. So the horse braved to go to enter into the market. Not a man nor child was there, so no one was there. For the heat of the sun had driven them all indoors. So for so much feeling heat, it was very hot weather, hot climate. That's why the heat climate made all the people to stay in indoors. Indoors means they are not coming outside of the house. They always stayed in the homes. The gates were wide open. The poor beast could roam where he pleased. He saw the grapevine rope that hung from the bell of justice. So the gates of the town was very, it means totally the gates were open. the total gates were opened freely and the horse entered into the marketplace. And what it found there? It found a grapevine. Who bought that grapevine? Where the grapevine is that, tell me? In the previous class we have discussed now. Yes, one person. From all the people, one person came and he went to his fields and he bought a grapevine and he tied to the bell. So that one the horse was found and it went near to the grapevine. He saw the grapevine rope that hung from the bell of justice. So where he saw that grapevine? He saw near the bell which was hanging from the bell. The leaves and tendrils upon it were still fresh and green. So how the grapevine is looking? It was very fresh. It was very green and the leaves are very fresh. What a fine dinner they would be for a starving horse. So what the horse is thinking? Thank God I got a very delicious dinner. So I could eat it now. He stretched his thin neck and took one of the tempting morsels in his mouth. So what you see in the picture, what he is doing? The horse, his thin neck. Why his neck was very thin? Because from so many years he did not eat anything. That's why he became totally weak. So he stretched his neck part and he was taking a small part of the grapevine tree. He stretched his thin neck and took one of the tempting morsels in his mouth. It was hard to break it from the vine. So easily it was not coming. Why? Because the grapevine was very fresh. So it is very hard to pluck that from the tree. He pulled at it and the great bell above him began to ring. What happened when he was pulling that? When he was pulling that, what he was pulling? Morsel. So when it was pulling that, what happened? The bell started to ring. Why? See, for example, if anything was tied here, for the bell, if anything was tied, if we pull that, the bell will ring. In the same manner here, when the horse started to pull that part of the grapevine, the bell started to ring. All the people in Atri heard it. So the people who are staying in the Atri town, all the people were listen to the sound. It seems to say, someone has done me wrong. Someone has done me wrong. Oh, come and judge my case. Oh, come and judge my case, for I have been wrong. So everyone are saying something has been wrong. The judges heard it. They put on their robes and went through the hot streets to the marketplace. So the bell who was ringing, all the people was thinking something was wrong with someone. So when the king, where the king is staying now? In the kingdom, in his palace. From that palace, the judges came to that place. So what happened? So all the people were thinking that something was happened wrong with someone. So that the sound of the bell has listened all the people and the judges walked from that hot streets and they were reached to the marketplace. They wondered who it could be ringing the bell at such a time. So all the people were wondering. They were shocked. In this hot summer day, who was ringing the bell right now? At this time, who was ringing the bell? Everyone was wondered. When they reached the market, they saw the old horse nibbling at the wire. So what happened after reaching to the market? Who will appear there now? Is there anyone in the market? No, no one is there. So when they entered into the marketplace, they saw the horse. What they have seen? A old horse. Cried one. It is the Mrs. Steed. So someone was crying and saying that it was Mrs. Steed. It was Mrs. Horse. He has come to call for justice. So one person is saying that this horse belongs to the Mr. who was living on the hill area, and the horse came here for his justice for his masters, as everybody knows, has treated him shamefully. So the people who are living in Atri town, everyone knows about the Mr. biography. So what happened? Everyone are saying that how badly he treated to his horse, how shameful it is. So he did not even treat him very well. He did not even keep the food to the horse. So everyone are discussing about that Mr. He pleads his cause as well as any dumb brute can, said another. And he shall have justice, said the third one. So what the people are saying? He is very dumb. He cannot talk anything. That's why he is treating the horse in this way. So the second person said, and the third person is saying, and he shall have justice. So the horse must have justice. Why? Because the horse owner, who is the owner? A Mr. He is not at all keeping his food and not at all showing affection towards the horse. So he compulsory he need a justice, said the third. Meanwhile, a crowd of men, women and children came into the marketplace, eager to learn what cause the judges were about to try. When they saw the horse, all stood still in wonder. So what happened? When all the saw the horse, all the people of the Atri, even women, men and children, everyone came to the marketplace, eager to learn what cause the judges were about to try. So what the judges are going to give the justice to this horse. When they saw the horse, all stood still in wonder. Horse came here and rang the bell. How could it possible? And how the justice is going to be held to this horse? So everyone is wonder after seeing to the horse. Then everyone was ready to say how they had seen him wandering on the hills and fed and cared for, while his master sat at home counting his bags of gold. So everyone are saying that we all have seen such a poor horse that when it was living on the hillside area, it was totally uncared. So not at all caring him, not at all keeping him in a shelter, not at all providing the horse with the food. So the owner of that horse as sitting at home and he was counting his bags of gold. Who was saying this? The people of Atri town were discussing. So this is enough for this today's class. Okay. Once again we shall revise the part which we have discussed now. Okay. So who entered to the market? A horse had entered to the marketplace. Is there anyone when the horse entered to the market? No one is there at the market area. So that is a chance. So the horse had entered to the market. And what the horse has seen in the market? A very fresh grapevine sap. And it went near to that, and the thin neck of the horse, it stretched his neck and he started to pull the branch of the grapevine. And when he started to pull, it was very hard. So it was not coming easily. The bell started to ring. When all the people of Atri town were listened to the sound of the bell, and they were thinking, who will be now in this time who was ringing the bell? Who won the justice now at this summer time, now in this hot day? And the judges who are coming there. From where they are coming? From the hot streets they were walking, and they reached to the market. After reaching to the market, what they have seen in the market? A old horse. So everyone had came to the market, even men, women and children and old men who are there in the town. They all came to the market and they wondered at the horse. This horse came here and why it was ringing the bell? So the first person said it needs a justice because his Mr. owner was not treating him well. The second person is saying he is very dumb. He cannot talk anything. He cannot talk anything. That's why he was treating this horse very badly. And the third person is saying that this horse compulsory need a justice. So everyone are saying something. And after the judges entered into the market, and what all the everyone knows about the Mr. how he had treated to his best friend, that is horse Anina. So how he had treated to his horse when even the cold weather is there is no shelter for this horse, there is no food to eat. He is not at all caring the horse. He is sitting at home and just counting the gold of bags. So we shall see in the next class what is the justice going to give to the horse. Okay, until then read the lesson 2 times or 3 times. If you won't understand, you have to read 2 to 3 times. Okay, and if you are getting any hard words, underline that hard words and copy to your class books and find the meanings of that hard words. And what you have to do, you have to copy to your class books. Okay, we shall meet again in the next class. Until then, bye bye.